Hi guys, today we are going to talk about machine learnings, and I'm starting new machine learning course. So some of the basic things is here. I already have my Medium channel, so if you guys like, then you can go through. But today I'm going to talk about one hot encoding techniques, and so let's talk about what is one hot encoding. So it's a techniques used for machine learning in data pre-processing to convert categorical data into binary. So categorical data, when I say I have three category like iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch, and we are converting those into the binary like zero, ones, or true, false, or something like numerical data, right? So what is one hot encoding? So here, if you see this diagram, right? In this diagram, you see the categorical data which we have input. So here in this case, we have color red, green, and blue. One hot encoding process is happening here, and then it's converted into encoded matrix binary columns. It converted into binary columns, binary 0 and 1, and binary column one per category. So like here everything here one per category. Example, color feature red, green, blue. So it become for red 100, for green 010 because green is second place, and for blue is third place, so third one become a 1, rest of the 0. So one hot encoding transform categorical data into series of binary column where each column represent a unique category. Each category is converted into vector where only element hot is 1 and cold equal to 0. So that's we talk about what is one hot encoding. Now we are going to talk about why we use one hot encoding. Categorical data, direct numerical representation, there is an issue. So ordinary relationship is created, one hot coding is applied, and then it converts. So machine learning algorithm capability. So machine learning, have a capability to work with more on numerical data, and since it is the categorical data, so it's not able to apply such algorithm. That's why we need this one. So now let's talk about example of one has one hot encoding which I gave, but let's talk about like categorical data example category one hot algorithm applied here, then it convert dogs, cat, and rabbit, something like that. So here you see this like color red, green, blue, and red. So 0, 1, 2, 3 index, right? So applying one hot encoding would transform data set in like red, green, blue, so three colors, so it becomes a three column, and the index 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 is red, so then 0 and 0 it become a 1. The similarly 1 is green, so it will go the index 1, and then it's green equal to 1. Then number 3 is the blue, so it's the number 3, this is the blue, and this one is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So it become a 1. So number 4 it come red. So if you 3, I mean I'm talking starting from 1, but the 0 index is add with 0, so you can go with the 3. So this 3 and this 3 is same, so this is the red, right? So it become a 1. So this is how to implement this one hot encoding. So there is two things which we can use one hot encoding. One is using pandas, and another is we can use scikit-learn. And let's talk about using pandas. So I'm importing pandas here, and color red, green, blue, red. This is the color, and then I'm creating data frames, and then I'm printing. So if I do print, like it will be like something like that. And get dummy is a pandas methods where we need to pass data frame and column equal to color, and then this will do this one house. But this is again like false and true, this is like that. But actual, it's if you want to represent 0 and 1, then I think we need to use scikit-learn. So scikit-learn pre-processing has one hot encoder method directly, so it's pandas is same. Here we create a data frame is the same, and then we created here one hot encoder, and sparse false means corrected argument equal to false, and then we are fitting here this model data color data frames. So till this is standard, and just we are passing here data, and then so this will become encoded. And now with data frame we are creating PD and encoded value and the column value, and then it will become like this. So this is how I have example, and I have already shared. So this is the example which we can run. the first one is, see this one, this is the first example, and then the second line is example here in which I print. This is similar. So guys, this one already I have given here. Link is here, one-hot encoding. You can take from here, and it will take to you guys to into GitLab, and where I have all the code which I'm teaching. It's a free of course, guys. Please go and check. So this is what we did, and then when we use one-hot encoding, so one-hot encoding when we have categorical feature and then numerical data we want to convert, that time we can use input ML models. Algorithm does not handle a categorical feature directly, so there is for algorithm example linear regression, decision tree, neural network. So one-hot the challenges with one-hot encoding is a high cardinality, means a lot of columns, and so which increase the memory consumption, and it increase matrix, is higher computational cost. So these are the things which we take if we have a lot of categorical columns. An alternative of one-hot encoding is label encoding, which I'm going to talk in the next coming lecture, and binary encoding and target encoding. So label encoding basically assign unique integer, but it may introduce ordinal relationship. Binary encoding, it category into binary codes, reduce the dimensionality, and target encoding is use means target variable effective high cardinality. So which is this one, don't worry, I'm going to talk about next lecture. So these are things. Performance implication of one-hot encoding, this is also important. So model complexity increase the dimensionality, risk of overfitting, training time, longer training time if the performance implication, if you have more data, handling missing data cleaning and implementation which we need to apply, and tips for efficient hot encoding. So to migrate same challenges to one-hot, we can apply like dimensionality reduction. If high cardinal issue, consider grouping of rarer category others. Right before encoding, alternative apply the PCA, principal component analysis, PCA, to reduce dimensionality of the encoder. So this is the one, the reducing dimensionality, and use sparse matrix like library like scikit-learn can use sparse matrix when working with the one-hot encoding to reduce memory consumption. So this is reduce frequency encoding. For feature with a very large number of category, we can consider using frequency encoding, where the category are replaced with their corresponding frequency, which we also can do. So this is things, guys, and which we learn, and this is finally I give summary like one-hot encoding. Strength of one-hot encoding, it's a transform numerical categorical data into ML. Challenges of one-hot encoding, it's a increased dimensionality and memory uses. Consider alternative, use label encoding, target encoding, binary encoding. Performance optimization, we apply dimensionality reduction, sparse matrix. And final thought, balance one-hot encoding with optimization technique with high cardinal feature which we talk. So this is how one-hot encoding. So if you really like my article, please follow me here in my Medium page. There is a, if you go here, you can see like I create a lot of things about machine learning, data engineering, Gen AI. So everything is free, guys, and please watch. And also